is the exponent you see on the screen. Do you see me? I'm right there. Right now, I'm a 5. Whenever you see me, listen to me. I tell you exactly what to do in a multiplication problem. In this problem, what I am saying is use the number 2 5 times in a multiplication problem. So it looks like this. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And that equals 32. Here's another example. Do you see me in the problem? I'm right here. I'm the exponent. I tell you the number of times to use the base, this number here, in a multiplication problem. So in this problem, all you have to do is use the number 6 0 times. Wait a minute. How can you use something 0 times? I don't know what that means. I have an idea. Let's plug that problem into a calculator and see what it equals. You might be surprised by the answer. Okay, the first thing we type into our calculator is the number 6, and that's right there. So let's type in the number 6, and on your little computer calculator screen, you'll see a 6. And the next thing that we tap is the hat sign, which is right there. So the next thing we'll do is we'll type in the hat, and on your see that. And then the next thing we type in is a 0, which is right there. And on your computer screen, you'll see a calculator screen, you'll see a 0. Then press equals, and what do you get? Are you surprised? 6 to the 0th power is equal to 1. How? I don't know. It's a mystery to be solved later. Let's do another example. Here's another example. Hopefully it'll make more sense than that last problem. I still don't know how something to the 0th power can be 1, but anyway. Here we are again, and this time I have 4 to the -1. Remember, the exponent tells us how many times to use the base. So in this problem, all I have to do is use 4 -1 times. But wait a minute. How do I use something -1 times? I don't know. I have an idea. Let's do what we did last time and use a calculator to see what the answer is. I'm so glad I have this calculator. It's really been helpful today. So the first thing I do is I'm going to type in a 4. And the 4 is right there. So here comes a 4. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type in the hat. The hat is right there. So here comes the hat. And the next thing I'm going to type in is a negative 1. And the negative sign is right there. So type that in. Here it comes. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type in the number 1. And the number 1 is right there. And here comes the 1. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to press equal. And the equal sign is right there. And what do you think the answer is? What? 4 to the negative 1 is equal to 0.25. That makes no sense to me. I'm the exponent. I tell you the number of times to use the base in a multiplication problem. Here they say use it negative 1 times. Well, I don't know how to do that, so I plug the problem into the calculator and the answer is 0.25. How can you use something 0.25? I don't know. Another mystery to be solved later. I have an idea. I'm gonna go wake up Mr. Rock. He's still sleeping on the couch. Maybe he can explain to us all this exponent nonsense or mystery.